Hi, everyone. I'm going to go through a really brief example for the homework, and it is question 8. And we are told Bob's Board sells a snowboard that's popular with snowboard enthusiasts. Information relating to Bob's purchases they're called expert snowboards during October is shown below. During the same month, 120 export snowboards were sold. Bob uses a periodic inventory system. So we're given the dates, the units, unit cost, total cost. The way you're determining the total cost, it's just the units times the unit cost. So 20 units times 100 is 2,000, 30 units times 101 is 3,030, 40 units times 102 is 4,080, and 50 units times 103 is 5,150. To obtain the total units, you're just adding the 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 together. Total cost, you're just adding the 2,000, 3,030, 4,080, and 5,150 added together. And they provide you with this information in your problem. So the first question is compute the ending inventory at October 31st and cost of goods sold using FIFO and LIFO. Ending inventory is going to, first of all, be the total of 140 units minus however many units were sold. They tell us in the problem it's 120. So 140 minus the 120 that were sold means we have 20 units in ending inventory, right? So to determine it under FIFO, remember under FIFO, either the first units in beginning inventory or purchases are going to be the first units sold. So that means if we have 20 left, it's got to come from this last purchase, which was on October 31st, or excuse me, October 30th. It was 50 units purchased at 103. That means we have 20 of these left. So if we multiply 20 units times that 103, we get 2,060 for our ending inventory under FIFO. To determine the cost of goods sold under FIFO, easiest way is just to take our cost of goods available for sale, which we are given 14,260, minus the ending inventory under FIFO, which we just determined to be 2,060. That means our cost of goods sold is $12,200. For LIFO, to determine our ending inventory, it's still 20 units, but remember under LIFO, last units purchased are the first units sold. So that means under LIFO, we have 20 units left. That's coming from our beginning inventory in this case. So 20 times 100 is 2,000. To determine our, so that's our ending inventory, the 20 times 100. To determine the cost of goods sold, we're just going to take the 4,260 minus that 2,000. That gives us $12,260. That is our cost of goods sold under LIFO. For part 2 or part B of the question, it wants us to calculate the sum of the ending inventory and cost of goods sold added together. That's going to be the cost of goods available for sale, which we're given in the problem, that 14,260. But if you wanted to technically calculate it out, you're just adding the ending inventory under FIFO, 2,060, plus cost of goods sold under FIFO, 12,200. That's going to total the 14,260. For LIFO, we're going to take the ending inventory of 2,000, add the cost of goods sold of 12,260, and that's going to give us our 14,260. And that is it. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.